So today I'm going to show you how you can easily turn your YouTube videos into blog posts, social media posts, LinkedIn posts, X posts, all that sort of stuff, so that you can actually get more reach to your content. Because editing, making videos takes a lot of time. If you put in that time, you might as well try to get as much value out of that content as you can, right? So I'm just going to walk through my process right now. Once I publish a YouTube video that I think would be relevant to audiences on my blog, LinkedIn, X, this is what I do, right? So let's say I published a video, for example, this one, step-by-step guide for greater LLM visibility, 16-minute video. So quite a lot of information in that video. So something that is quite dense is good for this type of workflow. If you have like a 1-minute video with not too much in it, then there's not as much repurposing that can be done just because there's just less meat. And so what I can do here is copy the URL for this video and then come over to Dumpling AI into my content studio. So some context here is I've already gone through the brand setup for Dumpling AI. So if I come to my brand settings, you can see that it kind of already understands my brand, like how I like to write my X, Twitter posts, all that sort of stuff. It's all in here. So assuming you've got that set up, you can come to the studio in Dumpling AI and just press create. And then I'm just going to paste in a link to that YouTube video and then choose what I want to create. So I think threads on X are not as popular these days. So I'm going to go for an X long form post, but obviously you do need X Premium to be able to post a long form post. LinkedIn post, blog post, that sounds good. So I'm just going to press generate. But maybe before I do that, I want to put a bit of a spin on the output that I create. So in the video, I focus more on like brand mentions and Reddit. So maybe I also want to say, like, in addition to Reddit, we should also mention that social media mentions on X and LinkedIn are also important for brand equity or something like that, right? And then I can press generate and that will sort of add that additional layer to the content. So in addition to pulling the YouTube video, it now has this additional perspective that it's incorporating. So here it'll start to sort of generate the content, and depending on the length of the input, length of the output, the complexity of what you're doing, it'll take between 30 to 60 seconds. So while we wait for that, I actually ran this video through Dumpling AI right before I started recording. So you can see here, this was created 9 minutes ago. Did the basically exact same thing. You can see the long form posts looking pretty good. So I can publish this basically directly to my Twitter. So I can add to a queue. So I've got it set up where I want to post on X every day at 9 a.m. So if I add it to the queue, it will just post at the next available 9 a.m. slot that I have available that isn't already scheduled. Or I can just publish it now, which is basically what I want to do. So I want to publish it now. And you could edit it here if you wanted to before you publish, but I've just published it straight away. So if I come to my Twitter, X, you'll see that this post is here now and it looks pretty good. So next is you can see the posts are getting done as we go, but the LinkedIn post is here. So if I just expand this, you can just copy this directly over into LinkedIn and post it if you want. And then finally, we've got this blog post, which is getting written now, but there's a blog post here as well. And the blog post comes with a nice little AI generated image as well. You can see here that this blog post is, super detailed, and there's this editor here as well. So if you do want to sort of change it, edit it, you can before you publish it. And there is a WordPress integration here as well. So if you want to set up a schedule for WordPress, maybe you want to do 2 blog posts a week, you can set that up here as well. And just when you're ready to publish, just add it to the queue and it just will publish at the next available slot. Or you can also, as I did with X, publish now. So I'm not going to save my random edits because they were just gibberish, but yeah, that's basically it. So that's kind of what I do now when I have long form content that I've created and just want to sort of get additional reach, get some more bang for my buck from the content. Yeah, so if you have webinars, podcasts, or just create YouTube videos, this is a good way to get additional reach and just share that same content on other channels. Yeah, let me know what you think.